Welcome to the age verification video on setting up your scanner. The first thing you need to do is determine if your scanner is sufficient to scan the back of a driver's license. The way you'll know is if you have a 1D scanner, it'll make a red laser line like you see right here. And that scanner, a 1D scanner, is not sufficient to scan the back of a driver's license, okay? You also can't use the Clover camera scanner. That's the scanner built into the Clover device, and that scanner is good, but it's not good enough to read the back of a driver's license. It's just not, it would just take too long, okay? You want a 2D scanner. A 2D scanner makes a red field like a flashlight, like you see right here. So if your scanner makes a line, it's not good enough. If it's a camera scanner, it won't work. You need a 2D scanner that produces a red laser light like this, okay? So that's the first thing to do is make sure you have a 2D scanner. Okay, so the second thing you need to know is if your scanner, or if you have a 2D scanner and it already works with the Clover Register or the Clover Dining app, you don't need to set it up at all. Just stop right here, you're done, okay? So make sure you understand that if your scanner is a 2D scanner and it already works with your register, you don't need to set it up any further. Our setup is only to make your scanner work with the Clover unit. It has nothing to do with our apps specifically, okay? So you're done right then and there, okay? Next thing is if you have a Zebra or Motorola DS9208, 9308, and really a 9408, that is a 2D scanner. And what you can do on that scanner to set it up is just tap the button on the age verification app that says set up DS9X80 scanner. That means 9208, 9308, 9408. So you tap that button right there, there's a scan code right there, okay? And you just scan that code and that will set up your scanner to work with Clover, okay? Now, if you got a used scanner, then you want to set up a reset code first, and you can find that on our age verification website. And it's basically a reset code. See, how do I set up the Motorola DS9208 scanner? And there's a reset code. See right here, set factory defaults. Use this before you use the setup code, okay? And that's only if you have a used scanner. Otherwise, you can just use the scanner the scanner button right here and just scan this code with your scanner, okay? That's all you got to do to set up the Motorola scanner. Okay, if you have a Honeywell MS7580 scanner, then tap this button right here, and that's the scan code that you're going to use to set up the Honeywell scanner. Again, it has to be a 2D MS7580. Okay, now what if you have another 2D scanner that's not one of these two? Okay, well, you can still use it, but what you need to do is you need to find the setting for your scanner, like open your scanner manual or find it online. Find the setting for how to set the scanner to send carriage return line feed or the enter key. Okay, that's CRLF or the enter key. Okay, when you find that setting, just scan that for your scanner. And if it works with the Clover Register, it's going to work with our app. Okay, so make sure you do that. You want to either get a Motorola scanner, which we recommend, the 9208, 9308, or 9408, or the Honeywell MS7580 scanner. If you have another 2D scanner that's not one of those two, it may still work, but the only way you'll know is if if you're able to go ahead and find it in the manual for your scanner, find the carriage return line feed or enter key, CRLF or enter key, and scan the code that comes for your scanner for that code, okay? If you need further help, reach out to us at help@appheaven.us. That's HELP@appheaven.us.